In this tutorial, we are going to look at the basics of the organizing board in ASMX. Let's begin with a short overview of the org board, as well as learning the basic notions and modes. We'll start by clicking on this icon in the upper panel of the interface. Here, you can see the organizing board. The organizing board, or org board for short, is the structure of a company, of its various divisions, departments, and posts. The organizing board, as you might have guessed from the word itself, organizes posts, which may also be referred to as terminals, and the communication lines between them, which is what makes up any organization, including a company. By default, the org board opens Division 7. To open a different division, simply click on the colored panel of the appropriate division. Let's click on Division 1. The org board consists of two types of elements, units and posts. The units are divisions, departments, sections, and so on. You can see the name of a division here in this colorful block. In this particular org board, there are 7 divisions, but this number may vary depending on the org board. We will return to the topic at a later tutorial about editing org boards. A division has departments, usually 3 of them, as you can see here, but this number may also vary. We shall also return to this at a later tutorial about editing an org board. Departments have sections. As we can see, units can contain other units or posts. Posts cannot contain any more units or other posts within them. Think of units and posts as of folders and files. A folder can contain a number of files, but a file cannot contain folders and other files. Another thing to note is that you can assign an employee to a post in the board, but you cannot assign an employee to a unit, a division or department. To assign somebody to be in charge of a division or department, you must first create the appropriate post and then assign the employee to it. If the employee profile has a photo, you will be able to see the photo near the post that the employee is assigned to. If the employee is online, their photo will have a green circle around it. If the user is offline, there will be a gray circle around their profile. One employee can be assigned to one or several posts on the org board. The titles of the posts are written in the org board in a small font, while the division and department names are written in a larger font. To view or edit a post, simply click on it. Access to viewing and editing posts depends on what access permissions have been granted to the particular user. The org board is also the basis of several other modes in the program. For example, this is the information center, where the key statistics of the organization can be displayed. This is the communication center, where you can monitor how effective are communications within the company. Here in the task center, you can see whether your employees have completed their tasks, and whether any of the tasks are overdue. Overdue tasks will be marked with a red indicator, and the number will show how many tasks are overdue. The organizing functional diagram, accessible right here, will show all the functions of all the departments of the org board in one page. And finally, the last tab allows us to print out the org board.